chunky cranberry almond tuna salad. Creamy delicious and super nutritious. Taste this healthy and enticing one bowl appetizer, salad, and snack. Easy to prepare and ready in a matter of minutes. Here's how to prepare this power-packed treat. Chop some celery about 1/3 cup and then chop about 1/3 cup of sweet peppers. Toss the chopped celery and sweet pepper in a large mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, and a dash of salt and then set aside. Open a 5-ounce can of good quality albacore tuna. Use the variety of white tuna in water. Drain the water, then flake the tuna meat with a fork. Add the flaked tuna to the celery-pepper mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, regular or light, and then mix until well combined. 1/4 cup plain unflavored Greek yogurt or any plain yogurt of your choice. For this recipe, I am using dried cranberries and toasted sliced almonds salad topping. Add the fruit and nut topping and mix slightly. Add 1/2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. Chop about 1 to 2 tablespoons of red or white onion and then add this to the salad. Mix lightly until well combined. Fill the tuna salad in the fridge for about 30 minutes before serving. 3 delicious and fun ways to serve your tuna salad. Serve the tuna salad on a bowl or plate lined with green lettuce leaves. You can also serve the salad with toasted bread as a tuna salad sandwich. Quick and delicious hors d'oeuvre or finger food, you can serve the tuna salad on top of some crispy and tasty entertainer crackers and impress your guests.